On Halloween day of 2017, I had my left hip replaced. And when I woke up from the surgery, I was unable to feel anything from the peroneal nerve of my left leg down to my foot and ankle. I tried a second operation, a nerve release, and that brought me back a little bit more feeling, but no movement. After 3 years of not being able to walk properly, my wife did some research. I am from the New Jersey area where Dr. Rose's office is, even though I'm a Florida resident now. And I decided to give it a try. Hi, my name is Joseph Milano, and I am a patient of Dr. Michael Rose. I did try physical therapy, and it just didn't work. It didn't bring me the movement. It brought me the strength back, but not the movement and the flexibility. So I met with Dr. Rose several times. He explained the procedure he wanted to do. He didn't guarantee me I'd get 100% feeling or movement back, but he did tell me if I did the work, I would get some movement and some feeling. And after 5 months of physical therapy 3 times a week, I have to say he released me last week, and he was right. The operation, it gave me feeling, it gave me movement, and I couldn't be happier. My walking is so much better. When I would walk, since I couldn't feel my foot, I was finding that I was walking to the outside of my foot. Instead of doing a heel toe, I would just kind of plop it down. And thus I would get calluses on the outside. I would wear out my shoes to the outside. My hip movement was all off. My core was all off. Everything was out of whack. I would roll my ankle all the time. I would step off of a curb and fall on the street and really not know why. But since I've had this operation, I had it on August 31st of 2020. Since I've had this operation, I stand up straight. I walk heel to toe. It's not perfect, but it's way, way better than I ever dreamed it would be again. I could never do this before. It gave me back my ability to go fishing every day. Just walk my lakes, walk around the neighborhood. So like I said, the dock in the middle is mine, and I fish on it a couple times a day. I walk around the lake when I want to, and it was worth it. Let's leave it at that. It was worth it. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it.